Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Facebook page username. If you want to create Facebook page username, so you have come to the right place. And before I start the video, I want to ask you guys a question. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Be sure to watch the video to the very end. Let's to start. First of all, open your browser and search facebook.com and open this page. So first of all, click here your profile and click here setting privacy, then click here setting. Then you can see here Aisha Khan, general page settings, username, how to change Facebook page name. Now watch my previous video how to change Facebook page name, and here you can see username. So what is username? I think you don't know about, so you can see here tab dot this one. So if you create this one username, so for example Aisha Khan, so you can see here Aisha Khan. So first of all I create this one, edit,